lot of people solve this exponential equation wrongly. Now here we have 5 raised to 3, 9 parentheses raised to 4, then equals 5 raised to 3 raised to x. Now this is a tower exponent. Alright, now let us recall, according to the law of indices, that if you have a raised to m or raised to n, this simply implies a raised to m n. Now in this case here, this case and this case is different. Okay, now because 3 here is an exponent, 4 here is also an exponent, okay, which make them powers. Now but in this case, now 5 is raised to another exponent here, okay, and this exponent 3 raised to x is having a base of 3. Okay, so they are different. So this rule here, we apply this rule, so which gives us that 5 raised to 12, because 3 times 4 gives us what? 12. Now which gives us 5 raised to 3 raised to x. Now since we now have the same base, all we just need to do is to equate the exponent. Now this gives us 12, then equals 3 raised to x. Now in this case now, we are having different bases both on the left and the right hand side. All we just need to do here is to apply the ln to both sides. Now applying the ln to both sides, we have ln 12 here, then equals ln 3 raised to x. So at this point, we will need to apply the power log, and the power log says if you have log a raised to n, now the n here becomes a multiplier to log a, which becomes a, then n log a. Now applying that rule here, you have here ln 12 then equals x ln 3. Okay, let us rearrange. This becomes x ln 3 then equals ln 12. Now let's divide both sides by ln 3. This is ln 3 here, then here ln 3. This clears off this. Now be mindful you don't clear off this, you don't assume the same thing as 12 all over 3. No. Alright, so I x here now equals ln 12 all over ln 3. You can actually stop here, but how far? However, we can simplify further. Now this ln 12 now can also be 12 is same thing as saying 4 times 3. Why did I make use of these factors? Because I'm having 3 here too. Okay, and according to the law of logarithm, if you have log mn, this is same thing as saying log m plus log n. So if you apply that rule here, this becomes, our 12 here becomes 4 times 3. Okay, and applying this rule here, we have x then equals ln 4 then plus ln 3 then all over ln 3. Okay, now since this numerator here has a common denominator, we can actually distribute them. We can distribute ln 3 to both sides. So here we have ln 3 here, then ln 3. So this becomes x. Now this clears off this. So here we have ln 4 all over ln 3 then plus 1. Final answer. Please don't forget to share this video with other learners. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.